We've added a new plugin called foogallery, and it's really relatively simple to use, and that's the great thing about it, and it still looks nice too. So to create a new gallery, we have foogallery over here on the left side, so you just go over here and you can click on that and add a new gallery. So we go within this, and we name our gallery whatever is a relevant name for it, name of gallery, and then we click here where it says add media. You select any of the photos that you want to select to be a part of this, and you just click on all of them that you want to be within your foogallery. And we just picked some random images here right now. We have several templates. You can try out these different ones and see what you think works best for you. Much of the time you're going to have the best luck with Justified Gallery. I think it works very well, and I can give you numbers right now that kind of work well for this, but the main thing is just experiment with it and see what looks good. For the thumb height, that's saying what size of image do we want to load. So it's the height of the thumbnails, and so we're going to say right now that we want 400 pixel thumbnails, but you don't need to worry about knowing pixel sizes. Just go with something that makes sense to you, and then if it looks good, go for it. If it doesn't look good, you can change it out to something else. Now the row height means that ideally it would be 150 pixels high, and we're going to say let's make it a little bit bigger than that and make it 200. And then this down here says the max row height. See, this adjusts automatically to fit different kinds of images so that it fits in there really nicely. Regardless of whether you have a really tall image or a short image, it'll make it all kind of fit together in a good way. You'll see what I mean here in a moment. But then we have our max row height of 200%, and so that means it could go up to 400 pixels, which works well because our thumb height is 400. So then we have margins down here too, and so we can set them to be the amount of space between each one. We're going to say we're going to have 15 pixels between each one. You don't have to type in px or pixel or anything, just type in the number. And again, just experiment with whatever seems right to you. You can make it so that captions are a part of it or are not a part of it. If you make them a part of it, you can check that there and they'll become a part of what's showing up on there. And the source of it can be the attachment title, the attachment caption, or the attachment alt text. All we're saying is, within the image, over here, you can have it be that the caption, which is most of the time what you're going to want it to be, is what shows up there, or it could be the alt text, or it could be the title up here. Any of those could be the thing that show up there. And then we have our thumbnail link. It can go to a full-sized image. Much of the time that's what you're going to be wanting it to do. It's going to load it in a special light box. It means that it's going to make it bigger and fancy looking when you click on it. And then you could also make it the image attachment page. That means it goes away from the page to go to load a separate tab that has the image. You can have it not linked at all, or you can do a custom URL. Custom URL would mean that we link here to something like skeetshooting.com, and I'm not going to keep that on there just in case I forget. I don't want to accidentally make people actually end up there, because who knows what's on that website. I've never been there. When you're ready to go, you just click Publish. Now, you'll notice over here on the right side that there's a gallery shortcode, and you could just click on that and it copies, and then you can paste it into any post or page, and it will work from there. There's an easier way, so that's what we're going to go with right now. Once you go in to add a new post, or go back and edit another one, an old one, then up here at the top you'll see that there's a place that says Add foogallery, and we have our gallery up here. And so we're going to click Insert, and now we're going to click Preview. And when this loads here, then now we have all of our images. They load up nicely within that, and they all have their little captions underneath them. And I guess we must have ended up going with the attachment title. We don't really want that. Not that we really want anything right now, because we're not doing a real slideshow. Now we change it over to caption instead of being the title that's showing up underneath there. There we go. Doesn't that look pretty? We got our little caption underneath there. Looks fancy. If we click on it, then it loads it up here nice and big. And then we click on over to the next one and the next one. We go through here and it feels like we're a highly professional website. But that's not the only template you have. You have several others, and you can go through each one of those, try them out, and see which one works best for your given situation. And experimentation is just fine. Just try it out. If you don't like it, change it back, and it's no big deal. It's very simple to use, and it loads very quickly, and it's pretty foolproof, hopefully. And so that's how you use foogallery. I think it should be a good tool for you all. Hopefully you get some good use out of it.